Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to make a quick review on the resin I use to glaze my sculptures. It's called Envirotex Lite and it comes with two bottles, one being the resin and the other being the hardener. It's really easy to use. The supplies you need will be a silicone or disposable cup. I have a silicone cup here. A silicone or disposable mixing stick. You can also use chopsticks or any kind of plastic cutlery. You also need gloves, a scale, some cheap disposable paintbrushes as well. Now, to begin, we are adding equal parts of the resin and the hardener. So for example, 25 grams of resin and 25 grams of hardener. If you don't add both parts equally, the mixture will never harden over time and it's just going to be a gooey mess that you do not want to deal with. It will be a nightmare, trust me. So just mix well for 2 minutes or until bubbles form. Now it's time to coat the sculptures. Of course, you can use the resin for molding or pouring, but for this video, it's specifically for glazing sculptures. I'll show you the before and after clips to show the difference at the end of this video. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have the best, wonderful rest of the year. I truly mean it from the bottom of my heart. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.